The so-called cult mom, Lori Vallow, who was convicted earlier this year for the murders of her 2 children in the Gem State, has been moved to Arizona and booked into the Maricopa County Jail on Wednesday to face conspiracy charges in the murder of her 4th husband, Charles Vallow. A new mug shot was taken upon her arrival at the jail, showing her with a wide-eyed expression. Lori has been incarcerated at the Pocatello Women's Correctional Center since August, when Judge Stephen Boyce handed down 3 life sentences for the murders of her children, Tylee Ryan 16 years and J.J. Vallow 7 years old. She was also found guilty of conspiring to commit the murder of her alleged cult leader husband Chad Daybell's former wife, Tammy Daybell. Charles was shot and killed by Lori's brother, Alex Cox. Cox told police he acted in self-defense, and he was never charged. Cox died later, which was natural death as per investigators. Shortly after Charles died, Lori and her kids moved to Idaho. Prosecutors said she made the move to be closer to her then-boyfriend, Mr. Daybell, and that together the two plotted to remove any obstacle to their happiness. 2 weeks before they got married on a beach in Hawaii while the children were missing, Mr. Daybell's then-wife Tammy died of what was initially believed to be natural causes. But authorities became suspicious when Lori and Mr. Daybell married just 2 weeks later, determining Tammy had been asphyxiated. Brandon Boudreau, who had recently divorced Lori's niece, said someone driving a Jeep had shot at him outside his home. The Jeep matched the description of one that had been purchased by Charles before his death. The Arizona indictment charges Lori with conspiring to kill Charles and Mr. Boudreau. If found guilty of the conspiracy charges in Arizona, she could face another life sentence. Mr. Daybell has been in the Fremont County Jail since he was arrested in June 2020. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges.